In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice notes to Google Slides using the Mote extension. First, we'll get Mote installed. Head to the Chrome Web Store in your browser and search for Mote. Open the Mote extension page and install it. Your browser may ask you to confirm, and the Mote icon will appear near your toolbar once it's ready. If you're prompted to grant microphone access, accept it so you can record clean audio later. A quick tip here. Close extra noisy tabs or apps to keep your recording clear. Next, open your Google Slides presentation. You can use an existing deck or start a new one, but make sure you're signed into the same Google account you use with Chrome so everything syncs smoothly. Give your slides a moment to load. You'll see Mote become available once the page has fully initialized. Now, look for the Mote icon in the toolbar. Click it to start working with audio. Before you record, decide exactly where your audio should live. Click the slide or the specific text box where you want to attach your message. This helps keep your narration connected to the right content, especially if your presentation has a lot of text or images. When you're ready, click Record. Speak clearly and keep your message focused so it enhances the slide without overwhelming it. You can use a short outline or key points to stay on track. Maintain a steady pace, leave a small pause at the start and end to avoid clipping, and keep your microphone a few inches from your mouth for the best sound. If you're using a laptop mic, try to minimize background noise and avoid tapping the keyboard while you speak. When you're done, save the recording. Mote will automatically insert an audio icon or a link onto your slide. You can drag this icon to a more convenient corner, align it with your layout, or place it near the relevant text box so viewers know what it's referring to. If needed, add a brief on-slide note like "click to hear narration" so your audience understands what to do. Finally, test everything in present mode. Click Present, then select the Mote audio icon or link to play your recording. Make sure the volume is comfortable, the timing matches your slide's content, and the audio triggers reliably. If something sounds off, exit present mode, make adjustments, and test again until it feels seamless. That's it. You've added polished voice notes to your Google Slides with Mote.